this is only Lego City. But what is it for?
Peekaboo!
Oh.
I'll be behind the box.
Oh.
So today, hello guys, welcome back to Aoife channel. Today, this is not Daddy, it's Mommy today. So this one is very interesting. Well, Daddy's the best of course. Okay, so we have like this type of vehicle cleans the road, and let's open it. So who's gonna help me open this? Anyone? Give me scissors. And I'll take everything out. Okay. Okay. I can see some things are escaping. Escape? How these bags are already opened? Okay. Printed piece. Okay. Here's and you have mini bags. They have no numbers. Strange. Okay. So I'll show you the instructions. So they have like here's like a little boy opening it. He got everything out and he got a pile and he's building. That's what it will say. Okay. So first make this guy with a trash can and a banana. Strange. Okay, first we got his head. And I can feel these bits. Nice. I find his leg. Now his body is hiding and eyes.
It's open.
Oh. Okay. Now he got his whole body. Oh, upside down. Silly me. Okay. Stickers. Okay. On his head. Okay. Oh, come on, there we go. And he's missing his hat. We are gonna put his hat. The hat is in this bag. Yeah. Okay. Now we get it. Now we just dump it out. So find his hat. Oh, there's his hat. Now put his hat on, and he needs a bin with banana. Anyone see the banana? Oh, here it is. First, I'll let him have a bite. Okay. Can you hold this? Okay, fine. He's gonna have a bite. Yum yum. Okay, first bite and your hat fell off. That's not okay. Okay. And I'm gonna make him hold his trash can. So I'll need to turn his hand. Okay. Then now I need to click it in. I'm so bad at clicking. Okay, there. Yes, his trash can. Okay, don't hold it there. Okay. So instructions. Number 1, you need one outward facing brick. And I had these slopy pits before. So where is it? Can somebody see it? Okay, we got this gray brick. Now, who can spot it? Tell me in the comments. Can you see it? Let's see. Ooh, they have a broom and shovel. Okay, he's gonna do some cleaning.
What is his banana gun?
Oh, yeah. He's cleaning. Okay, let's put the banana on the floor. Oh, clean this up. Okay.
Follow the instruction.
Okay, where is that piece? You should be not hiding from me. Yeah, no. Oh, this one. This one, no, this one.
Oh, yes.
I thought that was outer facing, so that. Put this
Put them down
here.
on this side. So
Here. Here you go. Then you need a long line, a yellow pin, yellow hook, and 1 and 2 red things. This is the base. Goes here. And these go here. I think this is what this part goes on. Okay. Then you put another one on top there and place it here. So if I just try to squish this in, Mommy, can I have some help? Okay. Okay. Let's see. There. Now I need to place it here. This is interesting. Now we need how does Peter stick? 2 of these and 2 of these study things. I find one. Where is the other one? There it is. Now we put on here. And then one goes like this. And finger like this. And this one goes like this. Then we put a red line on it. Okay. Then next we need 4 of these single books. I don't got 4 yet. The other one is doomed. No, there is not doomed. There it is. And I need 2 of these pieces. And I need 1 disc plate. So I have to here and this piece here and that piece there. And squish then here. Then we put another row front of it. 2 stuff here and 1 there. Okay. And then let's see the next. So now we has to put this under. This is looking interesting, right? And now we just need to cover all that up. So that's
This looks like it's a box.
no, it's not a really box. This doesn't have sides. Okay, this looks very interesting. I think this is going to be the base. And next, idols. Okay, so turn it upside down. You need these pieces. You put the piece like this. And then the other one go like these. Did I put them right away? This one might be downwards. Come on. There. Go. And then we have to put these black bits in these sides. Can I fit them? Yeah. So one goes here, and the other one goes here. There. This looks like a thing. And now we put slope. One pieces. Here we need one more. One more. Where is it? Ding dong. You're a better eye. You have a better eye than me.
Eagle eye.
No, not eagle eye. You couldn't find the pillow when we really needed another pillow. You couldn't find that pillow. I find it. So you don't have eagle eyes. Let's put one more here. Now let's squish it down and down. Okay. So next we have to put the one piece rolling. Then we have to put this piece like a bench. Can he sit on it? No, this too skinny for him. Not him. We need this. So sit up like this. There are no stickers in this one. They have printed. See? Recycling prints. So now we put them on the side. Okay, they'll go outside. So everyone know this is the cleanup truck. Maybe this is a mini version. Okay. One on, other one on here. There we go. Matching sides. So we have to put this one in. There we go. Then next we have to put two hooks. Easy to right together. Maybe it's for a shovel. And maybe it's for his broom. So sorry. Take your broom away. And we put it which side? I did something wrong.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh yeah, I meant to go here. Okay, and one here. And I need to put the broom. Where's the broom? No, where's the shovel? Can't see any fishes. Oh, thank you. There. Then now we need to put this one. Do you like my head? That's too small. Okay, and just squish this on. There!
Perfect.
My finger can go through. I never got this broom and I never got the shovel, so I'm lucky today. I still like the banana. Okay, he's gonna shovel. He's gonna find some gems, but they're not really gems. Let's see. Then I didn't do anything wrong. So we need this piece. I thought they going to have a printed piece, but they have no printed piece. That's sad. I don't want the banana to be in the bin because it's healthy, so I'm going to put it here. I'm going to put it inside this. Look. Banana drop. We're going to find it when the video is done. Let's see. Banana, where are you? Find the banana. The banana, come back. You go inside, naughty banana. You don't listen to anything. Hey, go inside. There. Now, sorry, Mom, we have to take all your stuff. Shovel, where are you? Is you? Are you there? Nobody zooms. Shovel,
organized. Follow the instructions.
Okay. One slopey piece. This goes here, and this goes here, and then these bits are spikes. Okay, this. So you add the other one to make a symmetrical, and then we put this one at the bottom. Okay. Now, with these bricks. Okay. So first, there's the other one. Now we should make the same height. So nobody trips over when they're walking here. Now we have to got this. It's two smooth pieces of this. Put this over here. These three smooth pieces here. Hope the banana stays in there. How this fell off? Okay, turn it on tightly this time. Banana, don't get out or I'll get you in right here. Did you see what happened? Okay, put the brown. Some ex-stories are very naughty, right? I think nobody's behaving today. What a shame. Okay, but like that. Then you have a gray slanty bit and you put it like this. Okay, and I just turn this wrong way around. Oh, I hate you on this habits. Okay, now we have to get this piece and we put it like, it'll go like this. And then you need one of that piece. Find it quickly, then Mom. Then you put it there. Back. Okay. Now we need two of these white smooth bits. It's okay. You put one here and another one there. I think I'm gonna put this spare piece inside. Oh, the banana is ready to escape. No, you don't, banana. Okay, so then we need these two pieces and make it. Yes, it makes like a good shape. Like this. And then now we put the other one like this. So then you put the steering wheel. A driving car fast. Vroom! Put the camera up. Vroom! My driving car. Okay, fine. It's not for me. I think it's on. No, it's not. This is close. Okay. Can I sit on it? Yes. Let me see. Oh, he can. He will does. Drive. He will be stuck inside there forever. Okay, now we need these type of thing. When here's the other one, then we go it through. I think the banana's gonna escape. One, hold down. to hold down. Okay. This is going very nicely. So we need this bit so it can protect him, of course. Okay, how do you put this on? There we go. And then you put these two studs. And then you put it on top. It's like little lighting. You put one here and one on the other side. There we go. And then we put two these pieces and we attach them to this. I have already one of these clear triangle pieces, so I'm happy to get 2 more. Oh, they have spare one here and a spare one. We got spares. Spare for losing. So you put this front. Okay. Then you put the roof. Roof done. My hut. Okay. How does this go? Okay. Covers that piece. Okay. I'm very bad at the roof. So these orange studs is helping the roof. So how this works? Mommy, can you help me? I don't know how this goes. I don't know. Oh.
Very good. Focus, actually.
Really? These are the other pieces. And it has no wheels. So it's wheelless.
No, I think have wheels.
Yeah, I think these are the wheels.
Turn the page so you can find more instructions.
And more ideas. Oh, now is the wheel part. I love wheelies. Wheels on my head. Those round. I don't want to wheel my life. I hate putting these on. How I put these on? These are so ridiculous. Help me, Mama, please.
What happened?
I can't put it in. Thank you. Now, another one. Over at the table.
Just press.
Power. Power the table. Power of table. Thank you.
How many do you need?
4 because it needs to be 4. Okay. Go like push like this. Power of the table. Now I can do it. Power of the table. Okay. Put these on. These meant to be sideways. Oh, yeah, at least I saved one. Okay, where's this go? What is happening? Oh, I put it the wrong way. Silly me. Okay, stick and one wheel. It can spin!
Ooh.
So we're going to have a test about driving. 2 spinning wheel. 3 spinning wheel.
Mm-hmm.
5 spinning, 4 spinning wheel.
Yep.
Okay, so now here. Okay, so we have these pieces. These structures are completed. This goes on these sticks.
Good.
this is complicated. And you put the second one here. Okay, I'm not.
Who is that?
No, I'm not. I'm confused. I'm confused. Don't even mess about me. Okay.
Next one, next.
Okay. Why is it not fitting? First, I will put the stick in.
Look, what is that?
I can't hold this. Put the hole in. Why does not power? Oh wait. One more push, and then it's like a wheelie boat. Wheel boats, do you know the wheel song? I didn't know. It's not even real. So almost got this, and knobbin there. There we go. Now work with these little wheels. Now these little wheels go. So is it this bit and this bit, and these wheels connect like this? I have no idea. So you need this tiny one. They put in there. Okay. Wrong way. Okay. Oh,
On top of the wheel.
it's going to be this blue wheel. There. I can also.
Wow.
Can this spin here? Oh, let's go for a ride. No, don't ride off. We're not finished. Oh, I'm so sorry. So now the other wheel to get this bit and put it like this. Then we put the other wheel on. Just right away, I think. Or this way. We can put multiple ways. And then we attach it. And then we put it on. Oh, this is a clever way. I'll put the wheels on. Okay. Be like this. Unstop it. Unsnap it. Unstop. Oh! Stop. You do it, please.
What's wrong?
We have a spare one. If it bends, we have a spare one. Spare one. Spare one. On it. So now we need to do like this. Do like this. Okay. Now this way. Now we're doing the right way. Okay. Now here's our spare bits, and we use this. This is the earlier bit of this gum bite, so we don't.
Let's do the next.
It's finished. It's finished. Now
Wow. So it's ready to clean our all dirt in outside?
Now it's going to play.
Yes, now they're going to play
So
time.
I'll take him out because everyone wants to see any. Get out. Okay. There. And now with this heart, we'll put in a booty hole. Okay.
In all of them.
Okay. Release this.
Match, is it same?
And I'll put this.
Wow. It's a city cleaner car, right?
Yeah, I'm going to put these spare bits inside the real check. Oh. Okay, back to business again. Okay, I hate when I do this business. Okay. A banana on the floor. Seriously? Banana? I got my friend. I need to brush it away. I get my brush. Brush it away. Turn his hand. Okay, I need to brush this. I will hold my brush. Not brush. Hold here. There, good. Now when you click it, that way I need to push this vehicle away and I'll sweep it. Okay, I will close the bin. Okay, take it out, the roll off, and I don't know, my hand fell off. It's okay. Now put the banana in, not fully in. There we go. Then we put my hot dog on, and then we put this brush back in here. There. Now I want to do some cleaning, so I need to get this thing to go here in my hand, and I'll close, open the door, open sesame. You put it in. Okay, get and the banana in there. Now shut it with my hand. Okay, now let's drive the truck. Any more dirty is. Now we'll go inside. Don't move out. And I'll go inside. This is enough. I will go inside now. No. Okay. Now I should take shower. Okay, now I'm going to drive. The banana, another banana. Get myself, and I'm gonna get my broom, and I'm gonna get my broom and my shovel. What? Where is it? How did he get here? Okay, I think I need to shovel. Shovel it. And you pick it up. Peek it up. Pick it up, please. Please, shovel. Pick it up. No more so good. No. I think the broom is much better. Now, let's roll this off. Okay. There. Now, broom away banana. Now, put it in the rubbish. That wood is safe.
So thank you to viewers.
Thank you, viewers. And now, he forgot to grab his tools. Oh, get me out.
Say bye-bye to everyone.
Bye-bye. I have to go keep playing. Oof. Ouch. Now my car's broken.